Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. Oh my god, oh my god. Today I decided to do I'm sorry, I've just parked by the side of the road. If you've clicked on this video, you know the drill. It's a maintenance video, and this is the first time that I'm ever doing a video like this. I ain't got no blueprint, guys. There's no blueprint. Don't know how to navigate this. So the plan is to go to the hair salon. It's a Saturday. I don't have an appointment. It is such a risky day to go to the hair salon because it's Saturday. I'm just imagining getting there and it's full. I just really want to do cornrows so that I can wear under my wig, which reminds me, fuck, I did not put my wig in the car. Okay, I'm not able to go back. I can't go back right now. I don't have that time. This is already 10 and today's Saturday. It's the beginning of spring. People are gonna go to the hair salon and try to do like long braids and stuff like that, and I really just want to do cornrows. No, it's like I'm just gonna go like this. I'm not gonna wear a wig, it's fine. I'm gonna wear a face cap. The plan is to go to the hair salon. I want to go to Clicks to get like some things for my feet. I've taken out my old cornrows. I took it out and I washed my hair because I really had no help. So I try to wash my hair clean by myself. Try to condition it and do all the shebang. Now the plan is to go to the hair salon, go to Clicks, and then call Sam. Sam does my nails, just to confirm that no one is in his chair, because like I said, today is Saturday. Today is the riskiest day to go get things done, most especially things like hair and nails, because now everybody's out of work, so everyone wants to do that. I hope this video turns out to be what I hope it will be, because I just really strive for quality. Truthfully, I don't really care that, I mean, I care. I can't say I don't care, but I just want a video that I'm able to watch, like, and it's pretty hard to keep me interested. So I want a video that I can watch. I want a video of me that can keep me interested. So that's the point of my YouTube. So it's not like I don't care that 1,000 million people don't watch my videos, but I kind of also just do it for me, if that makes sense. I'm actually gonna put my location on the map first, because ciao, I'm a map girl. I really don't know where the fuck I'm going. Hello. Fine, thank you. Yeah. I just got here and there's no parking. That is already the worst sign. Oh my god, please god. I'm just trying to hope, because this is like an establishment where there are like so many hair salons. So I'm just hoping that that's what it is. Like they're in other salons, not the one that I'm going to. God, I hate waiting. Oh. Anyway, see you inside. They moved. God almighty. But she says it's not far. Like, it's not far from here. It's like a minute away. I hope it's really a minute, because please, I don't have all this time to waste. Like, I can't believe they moved. Is this how long I've not done my hair? She just sent me like a location. Okay, so it's like 2 minutes away. That's what the map says. I hate roads like this. This one, I don't even know. Are you coming? Are you not coming? Oh, bro. Are you kidding? Move from the way. So I'm here. Here goes nothing. I hope I don't have to wait in line, because I'm very impatient. I think it's a better place actually than the old place. Is anything to undo? Huh? No. If it's disturbing you, I can take it out. It's disturbing you. I'm just done with my hair. I want to go to Clicks and get like the things that I need for my mani and pedi. You're being it. Hello. Thanks. So I just came back home to pee. First of all, because fun fact, I cannot use public bathrooms, and I took off my jacket because it's actually hot outside, and then I wore the wig I was supposed to take this morning along with me. Funny enough, I'm actually happy because I thought I was going to have to wait a long time before I get my hair done. And something that was very, you know, something that irks me, because okay, let me tell you, right, at the hair salon I paid $650, right, 600 for cornrows. Okay, so they say stitch cornrows to make it look like it's a big deal, but it's still cornrows. And now after I'm supposed to pay 600 and the girl's like, would you like to add a tip? Am I supposed to say no? Like, I don't want to add a tip because like you lot are already taking all of my money. I don't believe that cornrow is supposed to be 6 anything. The most that the cornrow should be is $350. So now you've taken all of my money and you're asking me if I would like to tip. And the thing is, you're asking me out loud, and the lady that just did my hair is just right behind you. If I say no, how am I going to be viewed? I don't really give a fuck about what people think about me. It's not like I don't want to tip, but like you lot have already taken everything. Tip, you've added charge, surcharge, taxes, duties, everything in that money, and you still want me to tip? Nah, that killed me. That was a violation. So I'm gonna take my car to the car wash because I'm gonna maintain myself. She also needs to be maintained. While I was inside, after I took a piss, I also did my foot peel. So the peel that I bought at Clicks, I did my foot peel at home right now. Like, look at my nails. This is a violation. My toes, you don't even want to see my toes. It's inappropriate. It shouldn't be seen anywhere. I'm gonna go wash the car and then I'm gonna call Sam. I need to be quick. I just pray that there's not a queue at the car wash because I'm actually gonna tell them to do my car first. I cannot wait. Like, I need to get out of here. See you at the car wash. Toodaloo.
Oh, you putting camera now?
Yes.
Why you putting camera? Why you video me? Eh? Why you videoing me now? What's the problem?
It's okay, it's the police station.
You take me police station. Let me phone my guys and tell him this lady says she'll take me to the police station. Now why you got camera for what?
Because I'm a YouTuber.
Huh?
I'm a YouTuber.
What?
I am a YouTuber.
YouTuber? What tuber?
I'm a YouTuber. Don't you know what YouTube is?
To what?
Don't you know what YouTube is?
You YouTube?
Yes.
Yeah, what about YouTube?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Ah, you lying. I don't see you in what you do in YouTube?
I need my car wash now. I'm late, you know.
No.
There goes my baby. My baby is clean and I'm going to just call Sam. Hello, Sam.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, and yourself?
I'm good. Are you at the salon?
Yes.
Are you busy?
I am finishing off with one person and I'm gonna start the other client.
Start the other client.
Yeah, but it's not something that... Should I call you when to come? Like when I'm like almost finishing?
Ish. How long is it going to take?
You can come, you can start coming in an hour's time.
Okay,
Yeah?
let me come, then you start soaking off.
Okay, cool.
Alright, I'm on my way now.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
I knew that this was such a bad idea. Anyway, I'm gonna go still. In the meantime, he's gonna soak off my nails because
I'm shy cause I'm quiet. I'm just plotting, I'm plotting. I got them where I want them. Still on things if you're wondering. Don't think I'm shy cause I'm quiet. I'm just plotting, I'm plotting.
Done for real. Woo! When you see me and when you fit do, bow down. Crazy. Forget about your
When I fall in love, I go deep, deep, deep. You can call me that like it's easy.
Hey, you look like you need rubber.
You smell so nice, what?
Thank you. MFK.
Yeah, you do smell nice. I got
Thank you. Your girlfriend's enemy.
Your girlfriend's enemy. Oh my god. I know you lying.
I'm not. Let me see your nails. What are you doing?
We're doing a poll. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do. I want to do something with red.
Wait, we have the same scar.
We're 20s.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the love for a faded fuck. I'm so faded what the fuck you
Come and do your nails, get free pizza and drink. Come at your own risk.
on the run, though I give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix it in the issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and the carriage.
You just want to eat. Then when you get home now, you start saying you need to eat the gym.
I will eat the gym now.
After you've eaten like
I'm always in the gym.
after you've eaten for 5 people.
So guys, I'm back home. I am so happy. I feel like a human being again. My nails are done, my toes are done. I just feel like a pretty bitch. Like my hair, I've been carrying it for months. That is also because I'm, you know, trying to do protective styling for my natural hair. But also like it was actually getting too much because it was literally smelling. I could smell my hair. It was so disgusting. Anyway, I'm so happy that I was able to do like, you know, everything today. I just want to hop in the shower, like a hot shower. Like Sam always does a good job with my nails. Like he takes proper care of my nails. Like he doesn't, because my nails are like so fragile and whatnot, but he tries as much as possible not to like hurt me. So yeah guys, I'm gonna see how this video comes out by the time I'm editing. I hope that I actually got my standards. If I didn't get my standards, I'm definitely not gonna put this video out. Tomorrow though, I'm going to East Farmers Market with Hermosa. I'm also gonna try film that for you guys because, you know, I'm trying to put out as much content as I possibly can. Like I said, I'm gonna go take a shower. Bye guys.